So guys, andito na tayo.
Local est de 15h10. Vous pouvez dès à présent utiliser cet appareil électronique juste à portée de main. Merci néanmoins de bien vouloir rester assis attaché jusqu'à l'extinction du signal correspondant et l'arrêt complet de l'appareil. Veillez à ne rien oublier à bord, vérifiez dans la page de votre siège, sous le siège devant vous ainsi que dans les coffres à bagages. Prenez garde à l'ouverture des coffres car des objets pourraient en tomber. Nous vous rappelons qu'il est interdit de fumer jusqu'à votre arrivée dans une zone fumeur. Au nom du commandant de bord et de tout l'équipage, nous espérons que vous avez apprécié ce vol. Aujourd'hui, en notre compagnie, nous souhaitons vous revoir très prochainement à bord et nous vous souhaitons encore une fois de belles fêtes de fin d'année ainsi qu'un joyeux Noël. Merci, au revoir et bon séjour. Welcome to Tenerife. The local time is now 10 past 3 p.m. Electronic devices may now be used. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Secure your personal belongings with you, checking in a seat pocket underneath the seat and in your overhead lockers. And take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Once again, thank you very much for flying with us today. We look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Have a good stay. Bye-bye.
¿Sabía que también ofrecemos una garantía de precio inmejorable para nuestros paquetes de vacaciones? Tanto si busca una escapada a la ciudad o unas vacaciones en la playa, disponemos de miles de hoteles cuidadosamente seleccionados para que usted elija. Simplemente busque EasyJet Holidays y comience a planificar su próxima escapada.
Saviez-vous que nous proposons également un prix gagnant? Il vous suffit de rechercher EasyJet Holidays pour pouvoir commencer à organiser votre prochaine escapade. Did you know that we also offer an unbeatable price guarantee for our package holidays? Whether you're after a city break or a beach holiday, we've got thousands of hand-picked hotels for you to choose from. Simply search EasyJet Holidays and start planning your next getaway.
So guys, we are just arrived in the island of Tenerife and we are now going to get our baggage. Dito na tayo. Okay guys, we are here in the island of Tenerife and we are spending our holiday here. And we will discover the place. We are going to get our baggage.
Wait. I mean, we looked plenty of times. Genève.
So, ayan. So, andito na tayo sa airport ng Tenerife. Tunin na natin ang luggage natin. So, doon tayo maghihintay. Ayan. So guys, andito tayo naghihintay sa baggage natin. Hindi natin alam kung anong oras darating ang baggage natin. So, ito yung airport ng Tenerife. So, ayan. Ano tayo doon? Tenerife, arrival shop. Dito tayo. So, we are going now. Here is the exit. Here. Here's the exit, or here, or here. It's okay here. And go here. So now we are here outside. Where was she?
I don't see her anymore.
So finally, we are here in Tenerife. Here, they have a small cafe here. This is the airport of Tenerife. Ah, yes, there. A very small airport, similar to Zamboanga. So, ganito yung airport ng Tenerife Island. Ito yung airport ng Tenerife. So, yun, doon tayo. Kasi doon tayo sa 32 para sa ano natin, sasakyan natin. Kasi nagano tayo. May pick up tayo. Yun. So, andito na tayo guys sa labas. So, hihintay tayo ng bus natin dito. Daming palm tree. Coffee. Ganito yung itsura ng place nila dito, guys. Daming palm tree. So, ayun. Ano tayo dito? So, ayun. Ganito pala yung itsura ng Tenerife, guys. Ano siya? Para siyang Middle East vibe na lugar kasi dry and then madaming palm tree. Yan, pupuntahan natin yung ating bus kung saan tayo pupunta para sa hotel natin. So, welcome to Tenerife. Ito yung Tenerife. Dito yung airport. Ito yung entrance at exit. Ito yung arrival. So ayun, ang ganda ng palm trees dito sa middle of the nila sa pathway. Ayan. Guys, look. Guys, look, I saw a nice flower here. That one. So now we're going there. Okay, this is our bus going to our hotel. So guys, this is Tenerife Island and we are going to spend our holiday here and our New Year here. I hope you enjoy our vacation here. We are here inside the bus.
Where do you want to sit? Here?
No, here. Here. You want here?
Or here?
Yes. So guys, we are in the bus going to our hotel.
So remember, on the hotel, Alwa Som Okataba. Okataba Valley.
So guys, finally we are here in Tenerife Island, and this is Tenerife. Tenerife is similar to Middle East country. They are dry also. They have a lot of palm tree. Yeah, that's it guys. You can see the plants here. It's like a lot of palm tree. There is a desert island and a volcanic island, and the airport is there. A lot of cactus. Oh, it's a big cactus here, look.
Yeah, they're very big, huh?
Oh guys, so big cactus. It's a lot of cactus here, very big one.
There's the airport there.